Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope all of you are doing great. Here we are back with a beautiful sunburst mirror wall decor. It really looks pretty and it's pretty easier to make. But before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please go for it so you couldn't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, let's start. Take an art paper or you may take cardstock paper. I'm gonna use this bottle cap to make a shape. Cut it. Now make more shapes like this. Take two different sizes, small and large size. Because we have to make 3 different layers, you can even use 3 different sizes. Now take circular cardboard and mark different sizes of circles on it. Central circle is for mirror. We just mark it for our benefit. Now take wooden sticks or you can say barbecue sticks. I just bought it online from Daraz. And these are really cheap. I guess it's almost 250 rupees. We have to cut 3 different sizes of these sticks. So for this you can use wire cutter or wood cutter. Now by using this hot glue gun, stick all these sticks with this circular cardboard like a sunburst. Friends, you can visit my channel for more videos about paper art, about wall mates, home decor ideas, body decor ideas and many more. Now I'm gonna use these beads on outer part of this mirror. You can also use something else which is available at your home. By using this spray paint, golden spray paint all of this stuff. Now it's the final and the last step to stick mirror. And here it's done. And you can see here that it's really look pretty beautiful and pretty. You must try it at home. And friends, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.